Welcome to the Shopease Foods Network. This online forum is a place where we can come together to learn, share, and discuss our daily needs on topics that include nutrition, food, and our overall healthy well-being. I want to share with you a recipe for pan-fried pork chops with dump and stir hoisin vegetables. First, let the chops rest on a paper towel-lined plate for about 30 minutes to remove excess moisture and allow the surface of the meat to temper, which will let it quickly brown up without drying it out as we pan-fry it. Place the pork chops directly onto the preheated Nutri-Stall pan without using any other fats or oils. As you will see, the chops will release enough oil, which will allow us to cook our vegetables in the very same pan. Now add the onions and mushrooms so that they have time to cook and develop their flavors while keeping the pan covered for 2 minutes. Turn the chops over, add the carrots and broccoli, letting them cook covered for another 2 minutes. Finally, add the green onions, parsley, and bok choy. Then quickly dump in the soy and hoisin sauce and cover the pan. Start plating dinner by spooning out some of the rice, which I cooked ahead of time, and the Nutri-Stall pan is kept perfectly warm with its double-lined walls. Let the sauces produce the steam necessary to wilt the green vegetables, but not overcook them. This is going to take about 30-45 seconds. If you look closely, you can actually see the leaves of the bok choy deflate when we remove the lid, which is a sure sign that the natural flavors and nutrients have been preserved without being cooked away. Now, using a pair of tongs, remove the bok choy from the pan and set it to the side of the rice. This reveals that all the ingredients were simply dumped in one after another on top of one another in the pan. Place the pork chops onto the rice and give the vegetables a good but gentle stirring and evenly distribute them over the pan-fried chops, while kind of allowing them to spill over onto the plate. Dinner is now ready to be served, leaving you with only 2 pans to wash up. If you have concerns about gluten sensitivity, I suggest sourcing gluten-free soy and hoisin sauces. You may want to add a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil or sesame seeds to this recipe to give it more earthy characteristics as well. Please refer to the printed version of this recipe for a complete list of the ingredients and instructions. If you have any questions that you would like our chef to answer, please submit them to info@shopeasefoods.com. Be sure to check in again for more recipes and tips with the Shopease Foods Network.